I want to make Hunan chicken for the family tonight, so I'm heading into Heinen's to get everything that I need. I always start off all my Heinen's trips by heading over to the meat department first. Chicken thighs are going to be the most flavorful for my Hunan chicken recipe, plus my family loves them. And for this value, I think I'll grab 2 packs and use the other one in another recipe. And probably one of the most important aspects of this dish is the sauce. And Heinen's has an awesome international aisle with a great assortment of all the sauces I'm going to need for this recipe. Some garlic chili sauce is going to add a nice little kick to this, plus I love using this in a lot of other recipes. Such a great variety of soy sauces, but I only need one. This is what's going to make my sauce sing. Plus it's 2 brothers, I know it's good. A little vinegar to help balance out some flavors in this sauce, perfect. Of course, can't forget about a little sweetness for this sauce either. Now we make a lot of delicious stir fries and Asian inspired dishes, so these sauces are going to go a long way even past this Hunan chicken. Now, let's get some oil for frying. I've been really liking avocado oil lately for its high smoke point and its neutral flavors. I'm going to need a little cornstarch to coat the chicken in and to help thicken up the sauce. Now to go hit one of my favorite sections in Heinen's, the produce section. The variety and quality are always amazing and bar none, the best around. Definitely have to do a few bell peppers. How about some zucchini or squash? Perfect. Then finish it off with some green onions. Almost forgot one of my favorite parts of the sauce, garlic and fresh ginger. And now one of the most important things is, what am I going to serve this on? I'm thinking rice, noodles. My family loves both. Maybe I'll get both. Alrighty, it's finally time to check out, and so many of the ingredients in this recipe are one-time buys, like the soy sauce or the honey, and I can use them in so many other recipes. I love the value that brings. Even the extra packet of chicken is gonna go a long way in my house. Time to go home and make this Hunan chicken. Don't forget to check out that recipe video. See you soon.